The market is green. Oh my gosh, the market is so green. It's looking good. It's looking really good. Of course, we were down for several days, going sideways, nothing but chop. Those are when you don't really want to trade. However, when it's red, if you have the investor mindset, you enter the trades because you know it's going to go up. Eventually, it's going to go up. And if you have the trader mindset, well, then you have to wait for your price action to break resistance. If you miss these moves, don't chase them. Don't chase them. Let them come back to you. Let them retrace, find support. One of the questions I get often is, how do you know when it found support? Well, on a higher time frame is better than a lower time frame. For example, a 1 hour is better than a 15-minute. And when you have multiple candles that show that it did not break below support, well, then that's your support. And the more candles you have, the better it is, the stronger your support is. So if you just have one candle, if it comes down and you have one candle, that's not a bounce. 2, 3, 4 candles, yes. Minimum 2 to 3 candles. Again, the higher the time frame, the better. And then if you have 4 or 5 candles and now you can see a pivot, then of course that is a support bounce. If you have money, stop messing around, do the VIP. If you don't have money, don't worry about it. I'll show you how to do this stuff for free on the videos that we have here. So if you want just to support the channel, just say, hey Joe, you're the best, and you will become my favorite. It's $19 a month if you want to do that. And then of course, if you want to do the monthly with a credit card, it's right here. It's $99 a month. And of course, you get all this stuff. And then of course, if you want to do lifetime, here's a lifetime. Here's a lifetime. Now, if you want to pay with a crypto, then just send me a message on Telegram. Whenever you're entering a trade, don't go 100%. For example, if you're going to do $100, don't put your full 100 here, maybe half, or even a third. But let's just say we put half here, and we wait. We wait to see what happens. We check on it in about 12 hours, maybe 18 hours. We see if either it came down or potentially came up. If it came up, great. If it went up 20, 30%, great. Wait for it to retrace. It just rinse and repeat. Once it retraces, then a few candles have to produce minimum 2 to 3 candles on the 4-hour time frame for a stronger indication of a support bounce, because you're showing that it's gaining that support, and then you add to your entry. Now, people are calling for 100K by July. That is in about a month. Can it happen? Going up 30K in a month? What would that be? What would that look like? So from here to 100K, we're looking at around a 43% increase in just over a month. This is what people are calling for. Now they're saying that at the end of December, it should be maybe 120, 150 by the end of December. I believe they said 150. That's some big numbers, guys. That's some big numbers. Now just imagine if that happens. It's going to happen. It's a matter of when. So let me rephrase that. When that happens, man, moon mission for these alts. Now, be prepared because they will blow up. And then, of course, they're going to retrace 20, 30% and then blow up again, retrace maybe 30, 35%, then blow up again. We're going to have really nice run-ups. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.